Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Does this medication work? What will it do for you? Clotrimazole belongs to the class of medications called antifungals. It used to treat most vaginal yeast infections. Clotrimazole works by killing the overgrowth of yeast that is causing the infection. The symptoms of a vaginal yeast infection should start to improve within a few hours after starting this medication, but it may take as long as a week of the symptoms to go away completely. This medication may be available under multiple brand names and or in several different forms. Any specific brand name of this medication may not be available in all of the forms or approved for all of the conditions discussed here. As well, some forms of this medication may not be used for all of the conditions discussed here. Your doctor may have suggested this medication for conditions other than those listed in these drug information articles. If you have not discussed this with your doctor or are not sure why you are being given this medication, speak to your doctor. Do not stop using this medication without consulting your doctor. Do not give this medication to anyone else, even if they have the same symptoms as you do. It can be harmful for people to use this medication if their doctor has not prescribed it. How should use this medication? Clotrimazole vaginal cream or tablet should be inserted high into the vagina once daily, using the applicator provided for 1, 3 or 6 days depending on the specific product being used. Insert the applicator gently and deeply into the vagina, then slowly depress the plunger to release the tablet or instill the cream. A thin layer of the topical cream or vaginal cream can be applied to the vaginal area for relief of external symptoms 1 to 2 times daily as needed, as long as symptoms persist for up to 7 days. Many things can affect the dose of medication that a person needs, such as body weight, other medical conditions, and other medications. If your doctor has recommended a dose different from the ones listed here, do not change the way that you are using the medication without consulting your doctor. If you see undissolved pieces of the vaginal tablet the next day, the tablet may not have been inserted deeply enough or it may not have dissolved completely. If this is the case, you may wish to consider switching to the vaginal cream to complete the treatment. Treatment with clotrimazole should not continue while you are period. Choose a form of this medication that will allow you to complete your treatment before period being. Do not use tampon, doses or vaginal spermicide while using clotrimazole. It is important to use this medication exactly as prescribed by your doctor or recommended by your pharmacist. Continue to use this medication for as long as directed by your doctor or pharmacist, even if you start to feel better. If you miss a dose, use it as soon as possible and continue with your regular schedule. If it is almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. Do not apply a double dose to make up for a missed one. If you are not sure what to do after missing a dose, contact your doctor or pharmacist for advice. You should not take this medication. Do not use this medication if you are allergic to clotrimazole or any ingredients of the medication. What side effects are possible with this medication? Many medications can cause side effects. A side effect is an unwanted response to a medication when it is taken in normal dose. Side effects can be mild to severe, temporary or permanent. The side effects listed below are not experienced by everyone. Who takes this medication? If you are concerned about side effects, discuss the risks and benefits of this medication with your doctor. The following side effects have been reported by at least 1% of people taking this medication. Many the case side effects can be managed and some may go away on their own over time. Contact your doctor if you experience these side effects and they are severe or bothersome. Your pharmacist may be able to advise you on managing side effects: abdominal bloating, burning, cramping, irritation, itching, rash, redness and swelling. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell button. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.